Simplify 2 root 5 minus 3 divided by root 5 plus 4 divided by square root of 125. Solution. We have this to be 2 root 5 minus 3 divided by root 5, then plus 4 divided by square root of 125. Now we can write 2 root 5 as 2 root 5 over 1. So this is equal to 2 root 5 divided by 1 minus 3 divided by root 5, then plus, now looking at this, we have root 125. Now 125, we can handle 125 and split it to have a perfect square and a non-perfect square number as a product. Now we have 4 divided by root 25 times 5. Because the highest perfect square number we can have from 125 is 25. So in this case, we have 2 root 5 divided by 1 minus 3 divided by root 5, then plus 4 divided by, splitting this, 25 is perfect. Why perfect square number? Why 5 is non-perfect square number? So root 25 will give us what? 5. So we can write this as 5 root 5. So 5 root 5, same thing as square root of 125. Now, this is like a fraction, a fractional sort, 3 divided by root 5. We have 4 divided by 5 root 5, and we have 2 root 5 divided by 1. So we can take the LCM of the denominator. What will be the LCM of denominator? We have in root 5 here, we have 1. And 5 root 5 is a multiple of root 5. 5 root 5 is also a multiple of 1. So the LCM of denominator will be what? LCM of denominators. Denominator equals to what? 5 root 5. Then we write this as divided by 5 root 5 or divided by 5 root 5. Now simplifying further. 5 root 5 divided by 1, we have what? 5 root 5. So we are going to multiply 5 root 5 by 2 root 5. Minus 5 root 5 divided by 5. It remains 5. So we have here 5 will be multiplied by 3. Then plus, now 5 root 5 divided by 5 root 5 is 1. So 1 we multiply by 4. So simplifying further, what are we having? Now, outside we multiply outside, inside multiply inside. 5 times 2, that's what? 10. And root 5 times root 5 is 5. Don't forget. So minus, what are we having? 5 times 3, that is 15. Then plus 1 times 4, that is 4. Divided by 5 root 5. So in this case, we have, now, 10 times 5 will give us what? That's 50. 10 times 5, that is 50. This is equals to 50 minus 15, then plus 4, divided by 5 root 5. And this is equals to what? 50 minus 15 will give us 35. Then 35 plus 4 will give us 39. That's 39 divided by 5 root 5. This is not the final answer. Why? Because the denominator of this fractional sort is t, an irrational number. So we need to ensure that we have a rational number at the denominator. How can we achieve this? We can achieve this by rationalizing. That is, multiplying numerator and denominator by 5 root 5 or root 5. Now let's multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. Now we have 39 times root 5 divided by what? 5 root 5 times root 5. That is multiplying numerator and denominator by root 5. Now we have 39 times root 5, we have what? 39 root 5. That's for the numerator. Now for the denominator, root 5 times root 5. That is what? That's 5. So this is going to be 5 times 5. In this case, we now have 39 root 5 divided by what? What is 5 times 5? That is 5. So the answer is now 39 divided by 5 root 5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.